po tayo sa itaas, no? At bababa po tayo. Yung parachute po natin, kailangan po natin buksan para po matuto po tayo lahat, ano? Magkuha po kayo ng notebook kung meron nga po kayong question, isulat po ninyo para at the end of the day, at the end po ng ating presentation, makakapag-ask po kayo ng question. Kasi alam ko, ang memory po natin maganda, ano? Pero time will come from the start ng ating webinar hanggang pinak-end, no? Yung pong matututunan natin, kung minsan po nalilimutan natin yung tanong na gusto nating itanongin. Kaya, kuha po kayo ng pen at notebook para sa ganun isulat po natin lahat, no? And then, after that po, ngayon pong introduce ko na po sa atin ang magpe-present na walang iba si Coach Paul. Pakinggan po natin siya, ano? Presently living in London for 26 years. Nurse by profession, pero nandito po siya sa atin at tayo ay tinutulungan kung sa ating business, ano? Founder po siya ng Thrivers Legacy, a great leader, at saka po a great mentor. A powerful presenter po, married, and a father of 3. Mga anak po niya, malalaki na po, no? At galing din po siya sa Pilipinas, pero ngayon nasa London na po siya permanently. A business owner and an entrepreneur. Tulungan po ninyo akong i-welcome ang ating coach na magpe-present sa atin. Walang iba kundi po si Coach Paul de Guzman. Sir, the floor is yours po, no?
Thank you po, Matiglo, for that very kind introduction. But if I may continue to introduce myself, especially for those of you who don't know me, no? Tulad po ng sabi ni Ma'am Glo, I'm a nurse by profession. I've been living in the UK for more than 26 years na. Dumating po ako dito in 2000, no? Katulad po ng marami, nangangarap, no? I told myself that I'm going to only work here in the UK for 5 years. Tapos mag-iipon lang, tapos magne-negosyo, no? So, ang mindset ko talaga, magnegosyo. Kaya lang, for me to be able to put up a business, di ba? Kailangan natin ng kapital, di ba? And that's the reason why kailangan ko magtrabaho as an employee here in the UK. But after 5 years, I realized hindi pa sapat, no, yung naipon. And of course, dumadating din yung mga bills natin. Na-extend po yung stay natin dito sa UK until now, na 26 years na po tayo, no? Still seeking for the right opportunity to have the time freedom and the financial freedom, no, to do the things that we want to do at the time that we want to do it, diba? So, alam ko po na marami sa inyo gusto din ganyan, especially mga OFW. Marami tayong kasama dito mga OFW, no? You have been away from your family for so many years. Alam ko po na gusto nyo na umuwi at makapiling sila, no? But we just don't know how to do it, no? Kasi kailangan talagang magtrabaho at kumita ng pera. I was born and raised in Marikina City. Sino po? Meron po bang taga Marikina dito? Meron po bang taga Marikina? Wala po. Okay, so I was born in the shoe capital of the world, no? Yun, yung Marikina po. Dito po sa UK, hindi lang po pag-nurse ang aking ginawa. Ako din po ay nag-venture into a business, franchise business. Naging sushi chef din po ako, no? I own a sushi shop, no, dito sa UK. But unfortunately, during the COVID pandemic, I had to shut it down, no, kasi I cannot physically be there, no, because I was on isolation. I had a kidney transplant in 2017, no, pero thank God, buhay na buhay pa rin po tayo, di ba? So, I am also a licensed financial advisor, no? Nagbebenta po ako ng mga insurance. Sabihin mo kung ano, life insurance, home insurance, critical illness insurance, binibenta ko po yan dito sa UK, no? So, in other words, the reason why I'm telling you this, no, patuloy po ako naghahanap ng opportunity to earn additional income, no? At ang alam po ng karamihan sa atin kung paano tayo kikita ay magtrabaho, no? At dyan po ako magsisimula ng aking presentation, no? Let me share my screen to you and start our business presentation today. So once again, welcome to our business presentation, and I thank you all, especially yung iba po na Supposed to be meron kayong gagawing importante, but let me tell you, the time that you will stay here and listen to this presentation until the end, I will make it worthwhile, no? I will share to you something that could potentially and possibly change the direction of your life, especially kung naghahanap ka talaga, no? I have been part of the origin of this business since 2020, no? Pero this particular business na ipapresent ko sa inyo, I only started this less than a month ago. So katulad ng marami sa inyo, bago pa lang po ako dito, no? But, no, merong malaking but, no? In only 3 weeks time, I have been blessed by this business opportunity. Kumita na po ako ng medyo malaki, no? In fact, yung kinita ko po dito in 3 weeks time, mas malaki pa doon sa sweldo ko dito sa UK, no? And I hope that continues, no? And I hope that every one of you, each one of you will also experience the blessing that this opportunity can give you. Okay? So sabi ko kanina, no, bakit ba trabaho tayo ng trabaho, no? Kasi yun lang alam natin, 'di ba? Sabi ng nanay at ng mga magulang natin, anak, aral ka mabuti para paglaki mo meron kang magandang trabaho, no? Ganun ang mindset na ininstill sa ating isipan. When it comes to money, the only skill most people know is to work hard, no? Wake up in the morning, go to work, no? Go home, wake up in the morning, go to work, and then go home. Wake up in the morning, go to work, and then go home, no? Monday to Friday, minsan Monday to Sunday pa yung karamihan sa atin, di ba? So yun lang ang skill na alam natin. But what do the rich people advise us, no? Sabi ng mga rich people or most successful people in the world, we should not just work for the money. We have to make the money work for you. Of course, we need to work hard for the money sa simula, no? But over time, we should make that money work for us, no? Para dumating yung time na yung pera na yung nagtatrabaho para sa atin. Tayo naman, na-enjoy natin yung ating time freedom, no? We can spend time for the more important things in life, tulad ng pamilya natin, no? Yung spiritual life natin, yung social life natin, nakakapagbakasyon tayo kung kailan natin gusto, no? Doon sa mga countries na nasa bucket list natin, no? Yun yung ultimate goal natin, di ba? Pero ang nangyayari nga, karamihan sa atin, nagtatrabaho, no? From the time they graduated from school hanggang magretiro, nagtatrabaho pa rin. And yet, pag nakapagretiro na, wala pa rin enough money to enjoy life, di ba? And we don't want that to happen sa atin, di ba? Gusto natin makapagretiro tayo na maaga at ma-enjoy natin ang buhay. Okay? And this is one opportunity that I will be sharing to you. I'd like to welcome you all to Stratify, no? Ang Stratify po, as I've said, originated from our business na tinatawag na C1, but now it's an independent business, no? That collaborated with 2 other platforms to give us, no? To give us or to open the door for us to access yung forex trading, yung AI-powered copy trading na tinatawag, and also education, and also gave us, no, an opportunity to make a lot of money through its affiliate marketing model, no? Na lahat yan papaliwanag ko po later. But let me be clear on this, no? Lahat ng information that I will be sharing to you are purely for educational purposes, no? I'll share to you the information. The decision whether you want to do it or not entirely lies on you. Kayo po yung magde-decide, no? This is not in any way a financial advice. This is not in any way to convince you, no, na gawin itong business and or to replace any of your source of income. However, if you decide to be part of this business opportunity, nandito kami para gabayan kayo to make sure that this will also work for you the way it is working for us. Okay? So, let's get started. Ano ba yung mga information na kailangan yung malaman? So, welcome to Stratify. Welcome to Forex Trading, no? The world's largest and most liquid financial market, no? Marami tayong pwedeng i-trade. Pwede tayong mag-trade ng stocks, no? Pwede tayong mag-trade ng cryptocurrency, ng bond, ng commodities, no? Pero sa trading industry, ang kinukonsider na pinakamalaki yung forex trading, no? And that's what's good in Stratify kasi ini-introduce niya tayo sa foundation of forex trading, no? And tinuturo sa atin yung skills to navigate 24 hours a day, 5 days a week sa global marketplace, no? And at the same time, giving us an opportunity to make more money other than the trading profits, no? Through its affiliate marketing model. So, how big is the forex trading? Ang forex trading po, sabi ko nga biggest, no? Meron ditong daily trading volume of over 7 trillion US dollars. Ganyan po kalaki yan, no? And most of the time, it affects the economy of a certain country. It operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. It involves governments, central banks, commercial banks, hedge funds, corporations, and retail traders. At ang usually po na biggest currency pairs includes yung mga US dollars against the different stable currency tulad ng euros, ng Great Britain pounds, Japanese yen. But our focus would be on the trading of US dollars to gold, no? The most precious metal, kumbaga, di ba? So, and most valuable na rin, no? Tsaka most stable yung value niya. So, Stratify is not the broker. It is a platform that introduces us to the forex broker. Ang forex broker natin, yung Tag Markets na tinatawag, no? Who has been in the financial industry for a while. So, ang gagawin ni Tag Market, no? Binibigyan tayo ng opportunity to start trading, particularly copy trading. Kasi nag-evolve na po ang trading ngayon, di ba? One worry pagka sinabing trading, baka kailangan ko mag-monitor niyan. Kailangan gising ako, no, para ma-monitor ko yung trade ko. Otherwise, baka matalo ako, mawalan ako, no. That's the good thing about Stratify and Tag Market, no. It eliminates that ex-hosting part of monitoring it, no. At the same time, meron din tayong opportunity to amplify kung magkano man yung ilalagay nating deposit or fund doon sa ating trading account, no. So you can start for minimum of minimal as 10 US dollars. Ang gagawin ni Tag Market, i-amplify niya yung fund mo. Kung $10 yan, i-multiply niya by 12 usually. Pero may ongoing promo yung company ngayon until the end of June, i-multiply niya ito by 24. Imagine, no? Para mas malaki yung magiging trading capital, no? Yung ilalaro niya dun sa marketplace natin. So, if you invested, for example, $10, i-multiply mo yan by 24, merong $240 na pwedeng gamitin ni Tag Market, no, in the global market, no? So, ganun kaganda. Kung nag-invest ka o nag-fund ka ng $100, that becomes $100 that becomes 2,400, no, dollars na trading capital ni Sonic AI or Tag Market, okay? But if you want to take advantage of the 24x promo natin, Amplify, you have until the end of June, no? At ang kagandahan dito, kung nagawa mo na yung 24x Amplify, even mag-end yung promo by June, no? Forever na yung 24x Amplify mo every time you make an additional deposit in your account. Okay? Now, sabi ko nga, no, kanina, yung eliminate ni Tag Market, yung exhaustive part of monitoring, di ba? Do I have to trade myself? The answer is no. No? How can I start? Let me show you. So, dito kay Tag Market, meron tayong Tag Academy, no? There are a lot of videos that will teach you how to trade, no, or how to copy trade. Yan po yung pinaka latest ngayon with trading, yung copy trading. Ano ba yung copy trading? So ang copy trading, basically merong system na kinakopy lang po, no, yung trading formula ng mga successful traders in the trading industry, no? So titingnan niya lang yung galaw ng mga successful experts, no, paano ba sila mag-trade. Kasi for sure, lagi silang panalo, no? So kukopyahin nila yon, and then kaya siya copy trader, ika-copy niya dun sa system natin o dun sa account natin. So if those successful people win, then we also win. Okay? So we can learn that, no? Pero that should not stop us from starting to earn. Di ba? Sabi sa atin before, for you to earn, you need to learn, no? Pero iba na ngayon dahil nag-evolve na po ang trading, no? You can now learn while you are earning. How? Through Sonic AI. At ano ba si Sonic AI? Siya po yung artificial intelligence parang robot natin, no? Siya po yung copy trading machine natin na magmo-monitor sa global trading marketplace. Titingnan niya yung galaw o yung trading formula ng mga successful traders, no? And then i-adapt niya doon sa system natin. And again, Sonic AI will focus on gold and US dollars. Okay? So, as I've said, you can start earning while you are learning. Hindi mo kailangang matutunan agad lahat dahil nandiyan nga po si Sonic AI. Siya na mismo ang gagawa ng trading para sa atin, and all we need to do is to wait for the results, no? Sabi nga po, no, hihintayin lang po natin mangitlog yung mga manok natin at tayo na po yung kokolekta ng mga itlog na yon, no? So this is the power of copy trading. So let's look at the credentials of Sonic AI. According to this analytics in year 2024, no, from November to December 24, meron siyang 0.05%, 0.5% growth, no, from 1.12 to 1.17%. But in year 2025, it grew even bigger, no, at lalo na ngayong year 2026. And if you Google it, kahit i-Google nyo po si Sonic AI, you will see that there is a publicly verified 3 to 5% weekly gains, no, sa trading ni Sonic AI. Ang success or ang winning rate po ni Sonic AI umaabot po from 87 to 91% po. Ganyan po kalaki. Don't believe, no, any platform that will tell you that they have a 99 to 100% winning rate, no. Diyan po usually tayo na scam, no. Tayo po, we are transparently claiming that the winning rate of Sonic AI is 87 to 91% po, no. So very transparent po. Pero makikita nyo naman po yung activity, yung daily trading activity niyan. So far, when I started to actively do the business, no, in 3 weeks time, 2 araw lamang po yung nagkaroon ng losses, no. Pero on the same day, nag-trade uli si Sonic AI, nanalo siya, and yung panalo niya is more than the losses, no. Kaya panalo pa rin during that day. Yun po yung kagandahan kay Sonic AI, no. Magte-trade siya sa umaga, no. Pagka hindi maganda yung result, hahanap uli siya ng opportunity in the afternoon, no. Titingnan niya kung pwede uli siya mag-trade. At pag nag-trade siya, panalo, no. Hindi niya papabayaan na matalo yung trading capital niya, no. And the result also benefits us. So let me show you how we can make money out of this business opportunity, no? The world's simplest and powerful growth plan. Napakadali pong intindihin ito, no? So let me start by telling you that there is not only one, no? Not only 2, but 6 different ways to make money in this business opportunity. Yung first way, pinakita ko na sa inyo kanina, yung through trading profit, no? Kay Tag Market, di ba? Pag naglagay ka ng deposit, no, nagte-trade si Sonic AI every day, kumikita po 'yon ng trading profit na tinatawag, no. It depends on how much money do you have in your account, no. The small deposit, small trading capital, no, small profit, 'di ba? Pero pagka huge or large yung deposit mo, that means Sonic AI will have a large trading capital, and the results or the trading profits would also be large, no. Nasubukan na po natin yan, at subok na po na yung size po ng trading profit natin varies from small to extra large, no. Kaya minsan ina-announce ng ibang leaders, no, na nangitlog na si Stratify, no, or si Tag Market, nangitlog na si Sonic AI. yung itlog niya maliit, no? O kaya yung itlog niya extra large. Ibig sabihin, malaki po yung trading profit for that particular time. Okay? And that makes us very excited, no? Pagka nang itlog na siya. Okay, so trading profits, we also have other passive income katulad ng profit sharing, trading lot commission, leadership pools, CPA earnings, and also a lot of incentives, no? So I will break it down into more details para maintindihan nyo po. So yung trading profit po, explain ko yan later on. Yung profit sharing natin up to 10 levels, yung lot commission natin up to 10 levels din po yan, yung leader pool, tapos CPA, tapos yung incentives natin. Ito po, no, yung trading profit, daily income natin yan. Yung profit sharing, saka yung lot commission natin, weekly babayaran yan sa atin ng company. And then the leader pools 1 and 2, tsaka yung CPA natin, babayaran tayo on a monthly basis, no? How exciting! How would you like to earn daily, weekly, and monthly? Di ba? Sa trabaho natin, monthly lang. Pero dito, araw-araw, linggo-linggo, buwan-buwan. And hindi lang po yan, meron pang ibang mga incentives na binibigay ang ating company. So, what happens to our trading profits? Paano ba natin makukuha yan, no? So, 70% ng trading profits mapupunta sa atin, no? Yan yung pwede nating i-keep. Okay? Anong gagawin natin sa 70% na yan? Pwede nating i-withdraw agad-agad. No? Kung gusto mo na ng pambayad ng Meralco bill mo, no? O gusto mong pambili ng ulam nyo for that particular day, i-withdraw mo na agad, no? Diretso sa GCash nyo o diretso sa bank account nyo, no? But merong ways how to get it into your bank account, no? Pero pinakabilis yata sa Pilipinas through your GCash. Okay? Pero pwede mo ring hindi i-withdraw kung hindi mo naman kailangan, no? Ang gawin mo, i-compound mo. Anong ibig sabihin? I-reinvest mo. Kung magkano yung investment mo dun sa account mo, idagdag mo yung kinita mong profit, mas lalaki siya, mas lalaki yung trading capital, mas lalaki ulit yung trading profit mo next time, di ba? The next day. So, 70%. What happens to the other 30%, Sir Paul? Yung 5%, no? Bayaran naman natin yung nagte-trade para sa atin, no? Kay Sonic AI, yung developer niyan, no? Para ma-sustain naman yung business natin, di ba? Pero don't worry, yung other 25% mapupunta pa rin sa atin. Kasi i-distribute, no, ni Stratify yung 25% doon sa profit sharing natin na up to 10 levels deep across the structure. Papaliwanag natin yan maya-maya. Okay? So, eto na yon, no? Yung profit sharing natin up to 10 levels, 'di ba? May 25%, no? So, bibigyan daw tayo ni Stratify ng 2.5% from our first level up to our 10th level. Ano bang ibig sabihin niyan? Okay, yung affiliate model natin allows us to share the business to other people. Yung mga kamag-anak natin, kaibigan natin, kapitbahay natin, no? O pati kaaway nyo, lahat ng KKK sa buhay nyo, invite nyo, no? Para makita tong business opportunity. Okay? So, lahat ng referrals nyo, babayaran tayo ni Stratify. Ngayon, may dalawang klase ng referrals. Merong direct referrals, yan yung ikaw mismo nag-refer. Yung indirect referrals, yung nirefer ng nirefer mo na hindi mo nakakilala. At yung nirefer ng nirefer ng nirefer mo, at yung nirefer ng 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 nirefer mo up to the 10th levels. Imagine, no? Maaring yung nasa 10th level, ikaw si A, yung si J, nasaan yan? Maaring nasa Saudi Arabia, maaring nasa Hong Kong, maaring nasa Australia, hindi mo nakakilala pero kumikita ka pa rin base doon sa profit sharing natin. Okay? Napakagandang opportunity po nito. Ngayon, yung lot commissions, no? Ano ba yung lot commission? Ang lot commission po is a fee a broker earns. So, kinikita ito ni Tag Market, no? At saka ni Stratify. So, every lot traded has a broker's fee na tinatawag, no? Dito po mga $14 po sa lot commission. Yung pag nag-open yung trading tapos nag-close yung trading, no? Yan po yung standard lot na tinatawag. So $14 po yan. Ngayon si Stratify, ibabalik sa atin yung £8.50, no? Dollars. Back to the community. Babayaran na naman tayo up to the 10 levels. Hindi nga lang pantay-pantay. Sa direct levels natin, babayaran tayo ng $2. Sa indirect levels natin, on the second level, $1.5. Tapos $1 from the third to the fourth level. Tapos $0.5 or 50 cents from the fourth level up to the 10th level, no? Additional income na naman para sa atin, no? Sa Leader Pool 1 at Leader Pool 2, no? So, Leader Pool 1, Leader Pool 2, ito po yung monthly bonus natin. Pero meron pong requirement dito, kailangan yung buong total affiliates mo, yung members mo, yung sa grupo mo, umabot po ng total of $500,000 na deposit, no? On a particular month. So, and that will qualify you to receive, no, another profit share in the Leader Pool 1, no? Dito po may mga conditions like the 50% rule na kailangan meron ka ding other leg na merong total deposit then na magre-reach sa 50% na yon. So basta importante po yung buong grupo mo merong $500,000 na total deposit. Para naman mag-qualify ka doon sa Leader Pool 2, kailangan yung buong grupo merong total na $1 million na total deposit. Okay? So, if you don't qualify for the Leader Pool 1 or Leader Pool 2, don't worry, meron pang ibang apat na ibang paraan para kumita dito kay Stratify. Diba? So, very exciting. So, aside from the Leader Pools, nandiyan naman po yung CPA earnings natin o cost per acquisition earnings na tinatawag. Ito naman po, nakadepende doon din sa total deposits natin sa direct level and the entire network din. Okay? So monthly, bibigyan tayo ng CPA commission, no, ni Stratify pag yung direct levels natin umabot ng $10,000 deposit. So nakadepende ito sa deposit ng mga members sa grupo mo. Pag umabot ng $10,000, meron kang additional na 1% yan. Pag yung buong entire network mo umabot ng $50,000, no? Kasi yung Leader Pool 1, Leader Pool 2, medyo malaki yan yun. Pag umabot ng 500. Ito naman, no? Mas achievable. Pag $50,000, meron kang 2%, no? Pagka $200,000 yung total deposit ng entire network mo, meron kang 3.5%. At pag $1 million naman, dollars naman umabot, ang deposit ng buong entire network mo, 5% po ang additional income na makukuha natin on a monthly basis sa CPA earnings natin, no? So napaka-exciting po ng different ways to make money, and what makes it more exciting, no? Aside from the financial rewards na binibigay sa atin ni Stratify, nagbibigay din siya ng mga luxury incentives sa atin every now and again, no? Yung travel vouchers, merong luxury watches like Rolex, no? And of course, yung home, no, house and lot na pinamimigay din, no? And I understand na meron na po nakakuha ng mga incentives na yan, no? Yung mga nakita yung opportunity with Stratify and they are investing a lot in this opportunity. Okay? So, yan po yung 6 na paraan, no? Let me summarize it to you. Stratify opens the doors for us and collaborate with Tag Market and Sonic AI, no, to allow us to make a lot of money in 6 different ways: trading profits, profit sharing, trading lot commissions, Leader Pools and CPA earnings on a monthly basis, and additional incentives. Again, let me repeat: trading profits on a daily basis, profit sharing, trading lot commission on a weekly basis, Leader Pool, CPA earnings on a monthly basis, plus additional incentive, luxury incentives na binibigay sa atin ni Stratify, no? So what an exciting opportunity that I believe we should not miss out on. Okay? So how do we track our business, no? Doon po sa loob ng Stratify account natin, we will be able to track down, no, yung growth ng network nyo, yung different commissions natin, yung different earnings natin, makikita natin doon. Makikita natin doon kung magkano yung commissions natin on a daily basis, tapos weekly and monthly, no? Papasok po doon lahat sa Stratify account natin yan. Mamomonitor din natin through the Stratify portal kung gaano nakalaki yung network natin, no? Ilan yung direct levels natin, ilan na yung mga indirect levels natin, nag-deposit ba si first level natin, nag-deposit ba yung indirect level natin, makikita natin lahat yan doon sa Stratify portal natin. Okay? And there are other ways to monitor, no? Pati yung trading activities natin, pwede nating i-monitor yan through our MetaTrader 5 experience. Isa ito sa nagdi-differentiate with Tag Market amongst the other trading platform, no? Kasi meron tayong MetaTrader. Meron pong app yan that you can download in the Play Store or App Store. Mag-create po kayo ng account dyan, no? Tapos ilagay nyo po yung MT5 credentials nyo, yung username, MT5 username, yung password nyo, at makikita nyo na po yung Tag CopyX dashboard natin dyan. Makikita natin yung daily trading activities ng Sonic AI na ginagawa niya para sa atin po. So, very transparent. There is a way to monitor everything and track down your business. Okay? So, paano ba tayo mag-start dito sa negosyo? No? How can you join the business opportunity? Whoever invited you to this business would have sent you a link, no, a Stratify link na tinatawag. So just a Stratify link, either QR code yan or link, open nyo lang po yan. Tapos pag inopen nyo, mag-sign up po kayo. Ang hihingin lang po dyan information, email address nyo, pangalan nyo, probably date of birth nyo, password, no? So mag-sign up lang po kayo dyan sa Stratify link. Now, once you've signed up with Stratify link, you will receive an email to verify your email address. Pag na-verify na po yan, it will then ask, you can now then sign up to Tag Market using your Stratify, no? Sa Stratify, meron po doon makikita na CopyX, no? That will link you to Tag Market. Sa Tag Market, kailangan nyo po uli mag-sign up doon sa Tag Market, so you can start putting money in, and Sonic AI can start trading for you. Okay? So yun po yung pinaka-basic. Mag-sign up lang po kayo through the Stratify link na pinadala sa inyo nung nag-invite sa inyo. Okay? Inside the Stratify, there are other things that we can learn, no? At matututunan nyo din po out of the mini videos that the leaders of this business are creating for you. Matututunan nyo how to register in Tag Markets, how to make withdrawals, no? How do you create an account, how do you make a deposit, kung paano natin i-change yung mga password natin, and how can you become an affiliate of this opportunity. Again, no? There are options for you. Kung gusto mo lang kumita sa trading dahil ayaw mo mag-invite, ayaw mo mag-refer, then do it. No, trading ka lang, no? Mag-concentrate ka lang kay Tag Market, no? But if you want to make, no, unlimited income, kung gusto mong kumita pa ng mas malaki dito sa negosyo, nandyan po ang Stratify, no? Join its affiliate program and start sharing the opportunity to everyone, no? Let's bless them with this opportunity as well. Okay? So, there you go. That is Stratify, no? Napakabilis po ng presentation natin. You can share this to your friends and families. Napakalinaw naman po or simple yung presentation natin, and I hope everyone understood, no, the explanation of how the Stratify platform, the Tag Market platform, and Sonic AI platform works, no? But if you have any other questions, no, we are willing to entertain it after this. Okay, so let me leave you with this, no? For those of you who are excited to join the business, then get started straight away, no? Huwag na kayo magpatumpik-tumpik pa. But for those of you who still have questions in your mind, no? Ask the question straight away, no? Huwag na kayo maghintay ng matagal pa. Kailangan you make your decisions, no? Habang fresh pa yung natutunan natin, di ba? Kasi pag tumagal-tagal po yan, pag pinatagal nyo pa po yan, then you will be clouded by different things that is happening in your life. Baka malampasan nyo po itong opportunity na to, no? Everything starts with trying. Sabi nga, every accomplishment starts with the decision to try. Lahat po ng successful people in the world started by trying, no? If you don't try, then nothing will happen, no? Sabi ko nga palagi, no, if you keep doing what you are already doing on a daily basis, you will keep getting the same results every day. Hindi magbabago, 'di ba? Kung nagtatrabaho ka ng 8 to 5 o 12 hours a day, tapos yun ang ginagawa mo for the last 10, 20 years, kahit gawin mo uli yan in the next 10 to 20 years, ganun pa rin ang magiging resulta. Wala pa rin. Diba? So, if you want something to change, then you need to change. No? If you want your life to change, then you need to do something different para maiba naman yung resulta natin, no? And this is just one of the many options na pwede nyo makita around, no? And I believe that it's a great option, no? Kasi ako po mismo nararanasan ko na po yung blessing na binibigay ni Stratify. Okay? And I strongly encourage you to give it a try, no? Pag-aralan nyo po yung mga information na binigay ko sa inyo, and if you want to get started, link up with the person that invited you, or link up with us, and tutulungan po namin kayo every step of the way. Okay? So, maraming salamat po, and God bless everyone.
Ayan. Maraming salamat po, Sir Paul, sa napakalinaw ng ating pag-present po, yung presentation natin. Sana po naintindihan ninyo, dahil ang Stratify po yung magbibigay sa atin ng additional income po, no? Nasabi nga po ni Sir Paul, isa siyang platform na kikita tayo. Network, the more you share ang Stratify, the more na magi-income po tayo. The more na po bibigyan tayo ng opportunity ni Stratify sa lot commission, sa CPA, at saka po yung profit sharing, no? Yan po yung pinakamaganda dito sa Stratify. Imagine that, no? Ang isa pa po dito, no? Yung mga downline po ninyo, yung mga team member na na-invite po ninyo dito sa ating Stratify, turuan din po natin sila kung paano po sila mag-earn. Turuan po natin sila kung saan kukuha ninyo ang partner link, para naman po sa ganon, ma-share nila sa ating mga friends or family. Yan. And the second thing naman po, no, nasabi din po niya sa halagang $10, pag-umpisa lang po yon sa ating tag market. Uumpisa lang po kayo ng $10. Kasi po ngayong June na to, habulin po natin yung Amplify 24X. Kasi po hindi po natin alam by next month kung babalik pa po yun o hindi. Kaya ngayon lang po ang ating opportunity, $10 lang. Magbukas po kayo ng 4 na account o 2 account for $10. Then pag nagkapera po kayo, no, you can put additional money or additional USDT sa isang $10, tapos sa isang $10, kahit po unti-unti, no, una $10, tapos maglagay po kayo ng $5 each, $20 each, hanggang pong hindi ninyo ma-realize yung pagko-compound po ninyo ay lumalaki na. Ako po, nag-start po ako noong September, no? Hindi po, no, katapusan ng September or first week of October, naglagay lang po ako ng 150. Hindi ko po siya inintindi, basta naglagay lang po ako doon dahil meron po akong inaasikaso na mas, yung inisip ko, mas importante, ano? Pero, kung pong nag-umpisa po ako kagad ng ganon, mas malaki po ang income po ngayon dahil ngayon nakukuha ko na yung at least na kulang pa. Pero, hindi ko po kaagad inumpisahan. Hindi rin po ako nag-share dahil sabi ko, okay lang yan kasi may trabaho ako, no? Meron naman akong business, meron naman akong ganito. Hindi po yun. Na-realize ko, no? Ang sabi nga po ni Sir Paul, money is going to work for us. Hindi po tayo ang hahabol sa pera. Kasi po, alam po ninyo dito sa Australia, no? Ang isang empleyado, lalo na yung Pilipino, nakararating lang dito sa Australia, nag-e-earn po sila ng dollar, kino-compare po nila yung dollar sa pesos. Sabi nila, the more I earn a dollar, the more peso I can get. So magtatrabaho po sila ng sa 1, 2, 3, tatlong trabaho po. Constantly, ang pong katawan nila pagod. Dito po sa ating business na to, maglalagay lang po kayo ng konting halaga, no? And then you can build up the money that you have put in that tag market po sa ating business. Ito po yung napakaganda dito, no? Marami na po ngayon yung nag-umpisa ng maaga, marami na po silang natutulungan, let's say, yung pamilya nila. Dahil po sa income na kukuha nila dito sa ating business na to, yun po ang natutulungan nila. Nakikita naman po ninyo at narinig po ninyo yung pag-present po ni Sarah po sa ating